in this journey of life naende abana bari bako soka kurugusi yani unakuwa unazaliwa huko lakini ndende kwagenda maybe kwa sababu ya masomo kwagenda gusomera chiskuru chirichire outside Kisii use university okogenda gwatwara exposure alafu kwa rabuna abantu bande bamenyete sasa when you come back home maybe to see your grandparents unaona now things are different from your end. In Kegogi I used to go nikiwa mdogo and kuna certain things zenye nimeona zijai change ever since I was a young kid. Ntobwate chire chinde nkoenda mpaka bono iga yani chire buna chiare inge kuru emyake yu yakare na they are supposed to change because they saying njobuna bono iga ntobwate like the main roads we have a good road network na ilitengenezwa kitambo sana and you see kama infrastructure iko sawa then it means that an area can be able now to open up even for opportunities za trade alafu to gutwara chi opportunity chicha choko kore biashara sasa area inafunguka and then you can even have investors and then now that can improve the livelihoods of the people wenye wanaishi hapo yes yeah
bia kabisa baadaye mu tekereri usomo tekereri chinga kichi especially koro Kegogi is going to ask a question because ntunyara kuba kuboria liborio unakuwa nyarire ko bakogote maybe the main challenges ebintu especially ebintu biro bitana go change and team Quinter is going to change the situation.
Mong'ina.
Oh sorry, team Mong'ina is going to change the situation.
Yes
Gonga sometimes as a woman nantumeka woman buno muswati naboko nyoranga umetekero kuborie kero ngwate